Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, May 6th. Let's go ahead and get into our NASDAQ top-down analysis. Starting here on the weekly, as usual, I mark out the previous week high, previous week low, and 50% of the range. And then just take note, we are in the range of the previous week. And then moving into the daily, as you can see, we broke yesterday's low, and right now it looks like we're pushing into this 4-hour imbalance here. And then dropping into the 4-hour. So what we can observe here is how we had this market structure shift, creating this 4-hour imbalance. As you can see, we retrace back into the imbalance for a move up into this 4-hour imbalance. And as you can see, 50% of this imbalance was very significant. We closed there on this candle and then opened at 50% on this candle, consolidated for a little bit, and then it looks like we're pushing back into this imbalance. So to get into the scenarios, it's going to be playing the price action off of 50% of previous week's range and 50% of this 4-hour imbalance. So once we get down here, if we do, I will just drop into the lower time frames and play the price action. So obviously for longs, if we get down to this level and we start holding here and then making higher highs and higher lows, then I will obviously look to take a long position, targeting previous highs, as well as this imbalance up here and all these levels up here. And then for the short scenario, it's just going to be a break and retest of these levels. So I'd like to see price break, us come back up and retest, showing us that price is failing to get back above these levels. And then I would look to take a short, targeting previous lows, as well as all of these imbalances down here that still need filled. So we definitely have an abundance of targets for both the longs and the shorts. It just comes down to getting a good entry and playing the price action. But that's pretty much everything on my end. I will advise you guys to be cautious just because we have FOMC this week, so they might, consolidate price a little, just trying to gain liquidity for that. So I will definitely be cautious as well. But that's pretty much everything on my end. I hope you guys have a good day, and I will catch you tomorrow.